YouTube channel idea that will make you money while you sleep. Take a look at this.
My campsite and hiked south for 3 miles.
Simple YouTube's video gonna make you money. I'm gonna show you how you can do that and what type of niche you're gonna target. There are different type of channels doing puzzles videos. You can do puzzle video on interview questions or coding or mathematics, and lots of puzzles are there. For example, if you go to Google or YouTube and search for mind puzzle, something like that, and if you search that, you get all the result on here. On the filter section, you need to filter through this year, which means 2022. So this gives a basic idea, a recent published videos and how they performing. So one of these videos is this one. This channel is big, but the views you can see is they published this video 4 months ago, which is around 3.2 million views. Again, look at this one here, 1.8 million. So if you go look behind this, lots of other channels are doing the same thing. Look at this one. It's a 97,000 subscribers, but the views are 173,000. Basic animations and voiceover, and you can make money. Again, guys, with this method, you don't even have to write anything. You don't have to record your own voice, or you don't have to show your own face. Using a computer generated voice, still you can monetize your channels, because I did it with one of my YouTube channels. Entire content is made by AI voiceover, so it is working this year as well. So you can see there's a different type of puzzles are here. So to get the content, basically you can use the Google and type what kind of puzzles you want to do, or mind puzzles or mathematics or shapes, whatever the things that you are interested in or you find it useful for you. Search that on Google. So for example, if I search mind puzzles, these are the website where you can get these contents. These puzzles are not big, so basic, some question and answer format. So if you open one of the website, they're like this one, you can see basic 59 puzzles are here. For example, if you take this one, it is about a camping puzzles. According to this puzzle, this guy left a campsite and hiked for south 3 miles. Then he turned and hiked for east for 3 miles. Then he turned and hiked for north 3 miles. He come back to his starting point, where is his campsite, and he find the bear is eating his food. Now the question is, what color is the bear? Because if you can see the answer, the bear is white. The only place that you can hike 3 miles north, south, and east and find it ended up the same place where you started is North Pole. So all the beers in the North Pole is white. So this is the answer. Now I'm going to show you a software. You can use these questions and answers to make a simple animated videos. You don't have to pay for anything, and you don't have to have any technical skill, guys. Before that, we need to have a voiceover for it. So what you need to do, copy this question. This is your question, right? And you need to go to this website. It's called video.co, WIDEO, which is completely free. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. You're going to copy and paste your text, and you're going to select the speed 1, or you can speed up or you can slow down, like 1. Click preview.
I left my campsite and hiked south for 3 miles. Then I turned east and hiked for 3 miles. I then turned north and hiked for 3 miles.
Your voiceover is ready. All you have to do is click download button like that, and they will automatically download into your computer. Again, you will go back to the puzzle and do the same thing with the answer. Now what you have to do, you have to make a simple video. All you have to do is go to Canva. On the create, this one here, create a design, and you're going to click this one called video. There's a link in the description where you can create your free account with it for the Canva. I put the link in there. If you want to use it in the future, you need to have a pro. So for example, if you want to use the pictures and graphics from the Canva, some of them are paid. So what you have to do, you can get the monthly subscription, which is only $10 per month. But in the initial stage, which is free, guys. All you have to do is, you can see this is the video format. This is your voiceover you downloaded, right? Click and drag it on here. It will automatically add it on here. Then what you do, because we're gonna add number of slides according to our voiceover. All you have to do is drag and drop the voiceover here. It's short, but if you click the slide button on here, it will show you how long your voiceover. So we click and okay, see, you can see this is your answer. It's actually your question voiceover is coming on 3 slides. Now what you have to do is you're gonna go through the puzzle. So you can see I left my campsite and hiked for 3 miles south, right? So what you have to do now is you're gonna click the first slide and you're gonna click this one called, one second, you can click photos or you can click elements and you're gonna type like campsite. So you can see this is the animation you have. So you can click and drag it on here, and you can also put like a hiking because the person is hiking, and you're gonna select this one and you can put it on here, and you can put the road like that, and you can flip that like this, expand it the road. Okay, what you do, position, put it backward and bring the people front and make it bigger. And what you do, highlight it, click this one called animate, select any animation you want. Now if you play that,
I left my campsite and hiked south for 3 miles. Then I turned east and
like that. So what you do, each slide you can add a different animations according to the puzzle, like campsite, hiking, beers, something like that. So I done the final video, I can show you that.
I left my campsite and hiked south for 3 miles. Then I turned east and hiked for 3 miles. I then turned north and hiked for 3 miles, at which time I came upon a bear inside my tent eating my food. What color was the bear?
So I slow down the voice in order to make a little bit longer videos. So my question come around 20 seconds. Now I can go back again to the puzzle and copy the answer, and again download the voiceover, upload it on here, and I can complete that video into 40 seconds or 35 seconds. So each puzzle gonna come around 35 seconds. So for 1 minute that you can make 3 puzzles. So 3 puzzles gonna make you around 1 minute video. So if you add 24 puzzles, come around 8 minutes videos, which is enough to monetize, or you can place a mid ad on YouTube, guys. So all you have to do is create a simple puzzles video like this one. It will take you around half an hour to make these videos and upload it on YouTube, guys, like these guys are doing it. So for example, if you open any of the video like this one, and you can see this advertisement is playing on their videos, which means they monetize these channels and they are making money from it, guys. Now remember this, it will take around half an hour to make it. Make a simple videos. You can make a short video to get more attention to your channels. You can make this video, right? You can see here this video is around 24, so you can say 35-second long. You can convert that into vertical format, or actually you can publish like this as a short video on your YouTube, guys. That will get more engagement, more subscribers. You can grow your channel faster. You can also publish the same videos on TikTok, get more engagement, and you can target traffic back to your YouTube channels. Once your channels get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch time, you can monetize and you can make money from it. This is how you can make a puzzles videos using Canva and make money on YouTube. So if you want to make money on YouTube, you don't want to show your face or record your own voice or make any videos, this is one of the best way, guys. All you have to do is find the puzzles, find a website and find the content for that puzzles. Use the Canva to create your video, guys. There's a link in the description for Canva. You can use it for free, but if you want to use it for animation like this one, some of them are is a pro version, so you have to pay for individually. Otherwise, if you go monthly subscription, you can use it unlimited, guys. So I hope, guys, you understand these videos. If we want to learn more about make money online, all you have to do is subscribe and like this video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.